Alright, today we are going to be learning how to multiply numbers. If you look on your worksheet, front page, you will see that we have the numbers 27. So that's 27 times 42. First thing we're going to do is break these numbers apart. It's going to help to make it a little easier to multiply. So 27 is the same as 20 plus 7. 42 is the same as 40 plus 2. Next I'm going to make a box. I'm going to start with my 27, put it over on the side. I had 20 plus 7 and 40 plus 2. I'm going to go to my plus signs. I'm going to draw a line. Alright, next step is to multiply. So I'm going to multiply 20 times 40 and 20 times 2. I know that 2 times 4 equals 8. And then I need to add my 2 zeros to make 800. I did 20 times 40, now I need to do 20 times 2. 2 times 2 equals 4, and I have 1 zero to make 40. Next I go down here and I do 7 times 40 and 7 times 2. I know 7 times 4 equals 28. So I did 7 times 40, now I need to do 7 times 2. 7 times 2 I know is 14. Next I'm going to add 800 plus 40. We go right back to where our plus signs are, and that is 840. Oh, I forgot to add my 0 over here. 28 plus your 0 is 280. There we go. And then I add my plus sign back in. 280 plus 14 is 294. So then I need to add these numbers together. 0 plus 4 equals 4. 4 plus 9 equals 13, so I write my 3, and I need to carry my 1. 8 plus 1 equals 9, plus 2 equals 11. So then I have my final answer is 1,134. Go ahead and put a star by it. Alright, great job. You have now learned how to multiply double-digit numbers.